Today we will see what is state space in AI. Now state space is when from a current state, by applying all the possible actions, we explore all the other states which are possible. Now that is your state space. We will solve this problem by using water jug problem. Let us suppose we are having two water jugs, A and B. A with the capacity of 4 liters and B with the capacity of 3 liters. The final state should be 2 liter water in jug A and 0 liter water in jug B. The initial state or the very first state will be 0, 0, where both the jugs are empty. Now the applicable actions we will apply on the each node will be fill, empty, pour. So starting from 0, 0, if we apply empty, now both the jugs are at 0 capacity here, so we cannot empty them furthermore. If I say pour, we cannot pour water from one jug to another because both the jugs are empty here. Yes, we can fill the jugs here, so we can apply the third action, fill. Now do remember, at a particular time only one action can be applied at a single jug. So if initially both the jugs are at 0, 0, if I apply fill action on the first jug, it will be 4 because the maximum capacity of that jug is 4. And if I apply the fill action on the second jug, we will be having 0, 3. Now these are the two nodes or states possible from 0, 0. Now exploring 4, 0 and 3, 0. From 4, 0, if we apply fill, 4 is at max capacity here. If I apply fill, so 0 can be 3. We can fill the jug with 0 capacity. Now that is 3 here. Very next, we can pour water from one jug to another. So 1, 3. Then is empty. If we empty a jug with 4 liter water, now it will be 0, 0. So these are the three possible states from 4, 0. Similarly, from 0, 3 on the right hand side, if I fill, I will get 4, 3. If I pour, I will get 3, 0. And if I empty, I will get 0, 0. So these are the three states possible from 0, 3. Now here we are having three nodes or states on the left hand side, similarly on the right hand side. If I see 4, 3, now from 4, 3, if I apply fill, I cannot fill it furthermore because both the jugs are at their maximum capacity. If I want to pour, again I cannot do that. And if I want to empty them, yes I can. So from here either I can get 4, 0 or I can get 0, 3. Similarly, for 1, 3, if I fill it, I can get 4, 3 by filling the first jug. If I pour water from one jug to another, I can get 4, 0. If I need to empty a jug, either I can get 1, 0 or I can get 0, 3. So these are the possible states. Similarly, if we move to the next one, 0, 0, we will not explore this state here. We will not explore this state here because we have already explored this state. In the initial stage, we have already explored 0, 0. So we will not explore it furthermore. Now moving on to the right side, 4, 3. Now this will give us 4, 0 or 0, 3. Now these are the two states possible. From 3, 0, what we can have? Either I can fill the first one, 4, 0. I can fill the second one, 3, 3. I can empty it, 0, 0. If I fill it, 4, 0. If I fill the second one, it will be 3, 3. If I pour water, that one was left and that will be 0, 3. That will be 0, 3. So these are the possible states which I can get from this state, 3, 0. Now moving on, here before moving, in this step again we will not explore 0, 0 because it has been explored before. Now moving on, 4, 0 on the left hand side, we will not explore it because we have already explored it here, you can see. Then 0, 3, again we will not explore it, we have explored it on the right hand side here. Now 4, 3, again we have explored it in the previous step only, we can see here 4, 3. Then 4, 0, again we will not explore it. 1, 0 has not been explored, or we haven't got this state anywhere before. Then we have 0, 3, again we have already explored it. If I see for the right hand side, again we will not explore this, we will not explore 0, 3, we will not explore 4, 0, we will not explore 0, 0, and also we will not explore 0, 3 here. Now moving on, here we have 1, 0. From 1, 0, if I apply fill, it will give me 4, 0, 1, 3. If I pour water from one jug to another, 0, 1. And if I empty it, 0, 0. Similarly, for 3, 3 on the right hand side, if we try to fill it, we will get 4, 3. Second, if we try to pour water from one jug to another, again 4, 2. Now, if we try to empty the jugs, we will get 0, 3 or 3, 0. We will get 0, 3 or 3, 0. So these are the possible states which we can get here. Now, in these states again, 4, 0 already has been explored. 1, 3 already done. 0, 1 we haven't explored this before. 0, 0 already done. 4, 3 already done. 4, 2 never done before. Then 0, 3 and 3, 0. Now these has not been explored before. Sorry, these has been explored before, so we will not explore them again. Now, exploring 0, 1 or applying actions on 0, 1 and seeing all the possible states further. So from 0, 1, if we fill, we can get 4, 1, we can get 0, 3. If we pour water, we can get 1, 0. and if we empty it, we can get 0 comma 0 here. Similarly for 4 comma 2, if we fill it 4 comma 3, if we empty it 0 comma 2, 4 comma 0, and if we pour water 3 comma 3, we will get 3 comma 3 here. So these are the possible states from 0 1, and these are the possible states from 4 comma 2 here. Now again, if we see 0 comma 3 already explored, 1 comma 0 already done, 0 comma 0 already done, 4 comma 1 we have not explored before. On the right hand side, 4 comma 3 already done, 0 comma 2 never explored before, 4 comma 0 done, and 3 comma 3 we have already done. Now from 4 comma 1, if we empty it, we will get 0 comma 1, 4 comma 0. If we apply pour, we will get 2 comma 3. Now empty done, pour done, if we fill it 4 comma 3 here. On the right hand side, 0 comma 2, if we apply pour, so we can directly get here our final state, that is 2 comma 0. Now we don't have to explore furthermore. So on the right hand side, we have reached our final goal state, that is 2 comma 0. Now on the left hand side, these are the 4 states which are possible from 4 comma 1. Now here 0 comma 1 already explored, 4 comma 0 already explored, 4 comma 3 already explored, 2 comma 3 is not explored before. So we can explore this one. Now here from 2 comma 3, if we empty the second jug here, we can directly reach our final state 2 comma 0. So this was the example of state space where we have used the water jug problem, and we have seen how by applying 3 actions, those are fill, empty and pour, we can generate all the possible states from one state. Like from 0 0 we generated 4 0 and 0 3, and so on. From 4 0 and 0 3 we generated all the other states, and then finally we reached our goal state 2 comma 0 on both left hand side and right hand side. So this was your state space example using water jug problem. If any doubt or for any suggestion or correction, do comment. Thank you.